So our next question is, what's going on in the current market for gold and silver? We had, if we look back to the context of 2020, we had the incipient bull market in January and February, the liquidity crash in March and April, the tremendous run to gold and silver in the summer months, and now since September, gold and silver seem to be trapped in this kind of sideways to down correction and consolidation. All I'll say about the current status of the metal prices is that with such a robust run-up this year, it's no surprise that we're having a prolonged correction period and consolidation of those gains, and completely expected, no surprise here, and it's not going to last forever. I think that the latest move in gold to the $1,800 range, plus or minus $25, and the latest move in silver to the $23 range, plus or minus $1. These are perfectly in keeping with normal moves and corrections in the gold and silver business. However, like I said, even this will pass. And so when we look forward to not only 2021 but beyond, then I think what's interesting is that the strongest fundamentals driving investors to hard assets like gold and silver is the globally historic low interest rates by central bankers. And we know for a fact from central bank pronouncements worldwide that these sub 1% near zero rates are going to persist now for another 3 years. The US Fed has said they're going to maintain the current policy until at least 2024. Why? Because the world has a problem. We've gone through an economic crash thanks to the pandemic, and it's not going to take months to recover. It's actually going to take years to recover not only that productivity, those GDPs, but also those jobs. And so with that not changing, there remains a current in favor of hard assets. You can't make any money in bonds when the real interest rate is zero. It's just not possible. So cash has to go somewhere, and it goes typically either into equities, that's why we've had an all-time record run in the US equities this year, or hard assets, and we've had the emergence of a new bull market in gold and silver. So what do we look for next year? I think breaking out of this trading range probably by the end of the first quarter, and I'm looking for testing this year's highs next year, perhaps even setting new highs. So this is the short-term outlook. Longer term, I think by 2024 we're going to see all of the commodities, not just gold and silver, in quite a bubble thanks to not only the economic recovery but these historically low interest rates. So in short, the news is good.